This is not a test. This is an emergency message from Microsoft Channel 4. A hostile digital entity has been detected and is affecting computer systems in multiple areas. Please follow these instructions. Remain calm. Do not connect unknown storage devices. Disconnect affected computers from the Internet if unusual behavior is observed. Do not open suspicious files or programs. Continue monitoring Microsoft Channel 4 for official updates. Additional information will be provided as it becomes available. Please remain indoors if instructed by local authorities within this fictional scenario.